Alright guys, so you don't have to remove this tensioner. All you have to do is slide this thing out. There you go. So I did slide like this. Here is the old drive belt, and here's the new one with a part number right here. I always installed the drive belt the way I can read it. So this way now. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install this first on the tensioner. We're just gonna go sideways and install it. Sorry guys, could not give you a better angle, but this is what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go turn this sideways and slide it in. There we go. Now it's in. Just gonna go ahead and use my long Phillips screwdriver. I heat it up and bend it to 90 degrees. Alright, let's do this. There we go. I think I'm done with this. Now we're gonna use this one. Okay. All right. It is 17 millimeter. Come on. Dude. Here we go. Now we're gonna turn it counterclockwise and put the drive belt in. There you go. Sweet. Alright, everything here is lined up as well. Now let's go ahead and start the engine, and we'll go ahead and double check our drive belt. Yeah?
Let me throw one of these at you for
Sure,
the giggles.
sure, yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'll go ahead and review them. If I need something, you got a phone number here?
No. I
Oh.
can write it down.
Yeah, please write it down so if I need something I can call you.
Shit, I don't even have a pin on.
Oh my goodness.
See how I am? Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
What is the phone number?
All right.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. You too. Thanks. Alright guys, so the drive belt is looking good. Everything is lined up. Sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.